All right, welcome to the Undo Method. I'm glad you're here, and I want to kind of get out of the way, like what the Undo Method is and what it is not, and then a few ways that you can stay connected with us. And if you're here, you probably already know. So what the Undo Method is, it's a set of tools and instructions on how to help your body break down and remove the most common causes of chronic pain. We call these things the offenders. Each supplement, strategy, and food has been studied and proven to assist in removing these offenders by third-party researchers. And if you're a subscriber, all of the studies, there's going to be links to all of the studies where you can find this information. So it's not a cure, treatment, or diagnosis for any disease. I must be very careful in how I present this. This did work really well for me, and it may or may not work for you, but just based on the law of averages, these are the most common causes of chronic pain. And basically what they are is poor nutrition, including poor hydration, inflammation, which is the root of all disease, poor collagen synthesis, which is very abundant within your body and is where most of your pain receptors are, glycation, oxidation, oxalates, biofilms, and I believe I covered them all. So we're going to teach you how you can assist your body in breaking these things down. And what you'll find is most of these things are contributing or causing most of your chronic pain. So it's not a cure, not a treatment, not a diagnosis. It's a theory, it's a conversation basically, sort of with my younger self on how I could shorten the time of going from having fibromyalgia, degenerative arthritis, being told I needed 4 joint replacements, spina bifida occulta, frozen shoulder, restless leg syndrome, sciatica, and more, to world-class master sprinter, right? And I know you don't want to get that far, most of you, but you're just going to be happy with, like, I was just tying my shoes without pain. Most of us just want to get to that point. Anyway, always discuss any new supplement, dietary change, or strategy with a licensed medical professional. So once again, this is just going to be some ways you can kind of tinker with things and see if it works, rather than just take drugs or, you know, basically that's pretty much all the medical industry is going to give to you. And you can try these things and see if there's some benefit. I really believe there will be. So staying connected, obviously there's some free resources, our Facebook page, YouTube channel, TikTok, and pray or meditate. Premium resources on the With Me platform, which is withme.so Undu Method. You will have, if you've paid for this in advance, you're going to have that for free. And if you're a monthly subscriber, you're going to have that for free as well. So you're going to have meal plans, micronutrient guides, updates, things like that. You can schedule a one-on-one with me for under $100. That's your time to do whatever you want with it. If I have free time afterwards, I will always spend as much time as I possibly can with each person. Going to be creating Undo groups so we can all join in to groups. So it's much cheaper than one-on-one coaching. And those groups are going to be from $9.99 a month to $199 a month. And that's basically going to be Google Meets, where we go, I answer questions, we meet with other people who are in your group who are having success or challenges with the Undo Method. And then there's the Undo Suite, which is basically 3 months of personalized time with me. Do in-depth DNA analysis, methylation analysis, meal plans, one-on-one coaching, and much, much, much more. So I hope you stay connected. I hope I get a chance to interact with each and every one of you, and I hope that the Undo Method gives you hope that you can get your body back to where you want it to be.